Hello, hi, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite fish recipes, and that's fish in pepper sauce. And if I go to a party and this fish is on the menu, it's almost certain that I will be having this fish because it's so nice. It's always so tasty when well prepared. So the fish I'm going to be using is the headless bream, and I've already cleaned the fish and cut it into sizes, so you can cut this into any size that you like. And I'm going to be showing you the other ingredients that I'll be using. After all, this fish is in pepper sauce, so we've got lots of peppers, so it's mixed bell peppers here, and I'll be using onions as well. So I'll be using lots of onions, yes, lots of onions, and you will see the reason why later. I've got the peppers as well, so I've got the very hot chili pepper and the mild one. You can use Scotch bonnet, but I didn't have Scotch bonnet at home, so I'm using these peppers and it's equally very hot. I've got fresh ginger and garlic as well. So I'm going to go ahead to season the fish. I'll start by drizzling the fish sauce onto the fish. I've got the onion powder, the white pepper. I've got fish bouillon stock, and if you notice, I'm not adding salt to this marinade because the fish sauce and the bouillon stock they're already salty, so I'm not adding salt. So I'm going to cover this and leave it to marinate for just over an hour. I usually leave this overnight, but today I'm just marinating it for a little over an hour. And while that is marinating, I've cut up the red peppers, the onions, and the ginger and garlic, and I roughly blended that. And I've cut the onions into round circles as well. So the mixed peppers I've chopped up also into sizes. So the fish has been marinating for about an hour and a half, and I'm going to gently mix it together so that the marinade can soak into it as well, because it has settled at the bottom, just to make sure that the marinade just coats the fish a little bit more. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm separating the fish into two portions, because I will be frying some of the fish and I'll be grilling some in the oven, and you'll see the reason why later. So for the ones I'm going to be grilling in the oven, I'm just spraying a bit of oil, and then I'm going to put it in the oven to grill for about 20 to 25 minutes. It depends on your oven, and this will be at 160 degrees. I don't need a very high heat because I don't want it to burn or be too dry. So while that is grilling, I'm going ahead to fry the other set of fish. And the oil should not be too hot when you start frying. If not, it will look so dark or burn on the outside and the inside will not be cooked. So be very careful how you fry your fish. So this has been frying for about 7 minutes. It's on a medium heat, and this is what the fish looks like. And it's golden brown. So the grilled fish is also ready, and this is what it looks like. And this is the grilled fish and this is the fried fish. So I want you to put in the comment below how you like your fish. Do you like it fried or do you like it grilled, and why? I think it depends. For me, it depends on what you're doing with the recipe. So if I'm putting it in a sauce the way I'm doing now, because the fried fish is softer and it's juicier on the inside, and the oven one is a bit drier and firmer. When I'm putting it in the sauce, I like to grill it in the oven because it stays intact and it doesn't fall apart. But if you're just eating the fish on its own, fried all the way. So I'm adding the roughly blended red peppers and the onions, part of the onions, then the garlic and the ginger. I'm frying it in the oil. So this is going to fry for a while, not for too long though, because I didn't add water when I was blending it, so it shouldn't take too long. And then I'm adding the excess marinade from the fish. You know, when I marinated the fish, so this is the marinade that was left over after I removed the fish. So it's going into the sauce. And the sauce has been frying for a while now, so I'm adding the onions. So the onions looks like it's a lot, but watch what will happen later. So I'll mix this together and make sure that the onions is well coated in the pepper sauce. And leave it to fry for about 2 minutes. And this is what it looks like. So it's looking translucent and it bulks up the sauce as well. And at this stage, I'm adding the chopped mixed peppers. And I'll continue to fry for another minute or two because the peppers are supposed to be crunchy. So I'm adding the fish at this stage. So you add the fish gently because you don't want the fish to break apart. And then you gently stir it in so that the fish can soak up the juice in the pepper sauce. So after about 2 to 3 minutes, the fish is coming on nicely and this is what it looks like. Still intact, it hasn't broken apart because I was very careful when I was turning it, and it's a mixture of the fried and the grilled fish, as you saw earlier. So the fish is ready at this stage and I'm going to go ahead to plate it. And look at that, looking so delicious, so inviting. You tell me, who will see this plate of fish and not want to eat it? You tell me. So nice, guys. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and put your comments below. Tell me how you like your fish prepared. And I'll see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye.